Are you struggling to build your own mailing list? Are you frustrated with slow results and mediocre opt-in rates after paying so much for so little? And you wonder how a privy elite few are able to get hot new leads by the boatloads like a walk in the park? Leave your frustrations behind, because in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you too can crack the code and grow your own mailing list at warp speed, generate sales from responsive leads, and build your own cult following. You've heard it before, the money is in the list. Most struggling marketers will agree that it's difficult to build your list though, which explains why many of them tend to become product creators first and most of the time. Not that there's anything wrong with that, you still need a good offer to attract buyers. But between the product creator and the list owner, who do you think is more valuable? He who owns the traffic owns the game. And know this, if you don't have a list, you don't have a business. That said, I urge you to place a huge priority on building your mailing list above all else. And I show you how to do just that in this step-by-step training course. This is a series of on-screen video tutorials, and you get to watch over my shoulder how to make simple tweaks to your websites to get more leads, how to get other people to willingly send leads to you, cost-effective ways to grow your list, and many more covered in my entire video training. All the research has been done for you, so you don't have to second-guess yourself again ever. Follow my footsteps and start building your list hassle-free. Unlike most ebooks and reports out there, my training program is not built on alleged theories and assumptions. This is the real deal. The methods are tried and tested across multiple niches, so it works anywhere. I've made it simple and strip it free of technical jargons so even a newbie can understand right away. Get your instant access now and start building your list today.
How to optimize your email list building. You probably receive 1 or 2 emails you actually use each day, mostly bills, and the rest goes right in the trash. Still, until email disappears completely or takes on another form, which it ultimately will, you need to include email marketing as part of your overall marketing campaign. Fortunately, there are literally hundreds of automated email sites that you can use. Some are free, others low cost, and still others are more expensive. But like anything else, you usually get what you pay for. Beware of free list building software. There are a number of free list building programs that you can use. For most of them, in order to fully utilize their services, you sooner or later will have to pay something. Basically, the way they work is that you pay a fee and you rent a list of email addresses for a specified period of time. You can send out emails to these addresses and try to market your products. But this is a pretty random approach to marketing. Most of the people on these lists are online marketers themselves, so you probably aren't going to get much of a response for your investment. Paying for what you get, you can buy paid advertising, such as banners and display ads on niche-related web pages, in order to attract customers who are already proven to be interested in the type of products and services you promote. Facebook actually has a very good and affordable Facebook ads program that does this all for you. It lets you search for fan pages and interest groups within Facebook for members who are already interested in your niche. Targeting customers on Twitter. There also are many strategies you can use on Twitter to find targeted customers. What you do is to find people you know are interested in your niche and then look at their lists of followers to find people with similar interests and with large groups of followers, then follow those people in the hopes they will follow you back. Then you can search Twitter for tags for subjects related to your niche, then look for people to follow who have an interest in your niche. You always want to make sure they have a large list of followers so that when they friend you, a lot of people can see your tweets. Twitter marketing. Finally, after you have a lot of Twitter followers, you can market your products and services to them on a regular basis. A word of warning, however, People who use Twitter are often wary if they think you are just there to sell them something. It's a social media site, after all, so don't aggressively promote your product with every tweet. Instead, send out a lot of niche-related material, such as tips, quotes, stories, and so on, and only promote products once in a while. This allows you to build relationships with your followers and eventually convert them into customers. Article writing and distribution. Another way to build your list is to write articles related to your niche, then submit them to article generators. Make sure your articles include links to your home page or squeeze page. Then when people follow these links, you have the opportunity to capture their email address. You also can leave links to your squeeze page on public forums, blogs, blog responses, and numerous other places. Once you get into the habit of leaving a link to your squeeze pages, you will see your list grow quickly, and it will be filling up with people who genuinely are interested in your products and services. Creating an email list with these kinds of high-quality potential customers is much more worth your while than spending time and money chasing after a list of people who are going to give you a low click-through rate. Until email finally turns into something else, and it already is starting to do so, building email lists of potential customers will remain an important way to build your business. At the very least, your competitors will be doing it, so you need to do it as well. But keep your eye on where people are going nowadays and focus more energy on places such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. If you'd like to learn more about making money online, as well as a way to generate conversion-ready internet marketing prospects each month, then the doorway is here. Follow the link below to check out our done-for-you system. philandtomplus.com/subscribe. This article is part of online multi-millionaire Matt Lloyd's My Online Business Education Done For You article series. To have access to the global marketing and distribution rights of these exclusive articles requires titanium membership. PS free bonus: to access our free video series on how to get free leads online using video marketing, then subscribe to Phil and Tom Plus today. philandtomplus.com/subscribe. Phil and Tom Media Publishing and Broadcasting help visionary families and a few emerging entrepreneurs to use video to grow an online brand and create a long-term profitable, sustainable online business that funds your perfect lifestyle and have fun while they're doing it. If you have questions for Phil and Tom, you can leave them beneath this video and they will get back to you within 24 hours. Phil and Tom hope you have enjoyed this presentation and would like to wish you well in your business endeavors. They look forward to working with you in the near future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Testing 1 2 3 testing. Hey guys, it's Mike on Internet Pro. Hope your weekend is going well. I know mine is. I am reading some of my messages this morning, and wanted to bring up one of the questions from one of the viewers, and I'll keep things confidential. But they say they asked a question. Where should I put my energy right now to be the first to market? And if you don't understand what first to market is, it's really just about being the most innovative, the company or the person that has something new, bringing something new that people really haven't seen before, that of course can bring more value to their marketing and really help help their situation financially. And that can be on an individual basis, or that can be business to business, or